Let's check out the online version of Office 365 OneNote and what you can do with it. To get started, we actually want to start by creating a OneNote notebook. So we go here to Add New, and from Add New, let's go ahead and choose OneNote Notebook. We choose the name of it, and choose OK. It automatically will open up. If I want to go back to any previous notebooks, I can click back to my documents by choosing my name at the top there. And I'm actually going to go to a notebook that I want us to look at. And I'm going to look at one here with you called Trial Notebook. So stay in the notebook you're in that you just created, but I'm going to share with you a few ideas. The first thing I want us to think about are sections and pages. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll notice that there is Add Section, and you can see that these are two different sections. So all you have to do is click Add Section and name it and choose OK. It opens you a brand new section that has a different color. To get back to your previous sections, you can just click on them and it'll take you back to previous created items. Notice that within a section it opens up to a blank page. So you actually have to title your first page. To title your first page, you click at the very top of the page. And here we go, title page here. And notice when I titled my page here on the left-hand side where it says Pages, it actually gave it the name that I put here at the top of the page. Also want you to know that there is the date and time in which you created it. We know our sections are here, and we also know that there are pages, just like a spiral-bound notebook. But I'm going to go back to demo pages here, and I want you to notice I have 3 pages already. I can, at any point in time I want to add a new page, just go to the Add Page and select it. Title it here, and you have just started your next page. Something to remember is that you have your menu items up here at the top, and that's going to help you actually make changes on any of your pages. So you have Home, Insert, View, and Print. I want you to notice that these are actually showing. Do you see this caret here? That is the Collapse the Ribbon. Most often when you go online, you're not going to actually see these menu items here, these ribbons. You will actually need to click on them to show the options available. Now, if you like to have your ribbons available at all times so it's easier to navigate, you can come over here to the right-hand side and it has a pen. You can expand the ribbon, or with a pen you can pin it. If you don't want to continue seeing it, just choose the Collapse Ribbon caret here. The next thing I'd like to talk about is tags and searching. And right here from the Home ribbon, I'm going to go ahead and pin it so we can see it better. You have the ability to add tags. And I want you to notice, here's my cursor, clicked next to Lecture Topic. So I'm going to click a tag and I'm going to say that that's an important topic. Do you see how it actually tagged it with a star? And I'm going to say that, the summary, that's going to be one of my to-dos. Checklists are very handy in OneNote. The search feature in the online version is right here above the page section. All I have to do is click here in the box and type a word that I'm looking for, and it's going to highlight in a page and anywhere on the notebook where that might be. So notice it says match 1 of 3, and the great thing is I can scroll through as well. So if you're looking for something specific, it will locate it in your notebook. The other feature I'd like to share with you here in the online version of Office 365 OneNote is how to copy and paste from a website. Notice I have a website here open on this tab. I can highlight a section that I want to use for my research and I can copy it. And then all I have to do is click inside my OneNote page and paste it. Now in the online version, I want you to notice that it did not bring in the citation below it. So it's going to be very important that you come up here and actually copy the URL and paste it here underneath and the date in which you did it so that you can cite it after you're done with your research and you actually use this information in a research project. One last item I'd like to show you is under the View tab. Just in case you're sharing this notebook with someone, you can actually show the authors and it'll tell you who was actually typing at the time for that text that's showing. And if you happen to sharing with someone, their name would actually show as well. But you can also close the author's view from the View tab. Those are the basic features of Office 365 Online. You do have other familiar items, so go ahead and explore.